Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI for real estate agency. So, what I need you to do, guys, first is go ahead and open Google Chrome or any other browser on your PC, and then search for OpenAI, just like so. And here, I need you to go top of the page and click on introducing ChatGPT Research Realize in Try. So after we click on this button, it shall be opening this page. Maybe for you, they will ask you first for entering your like to sign in or to sign up. So put your informations. It can be really simple and fast. After that, go here and let's see if the AI is working. So nice, it is working. So let's start with simple question. What is real estate agent? So here it goes. A real estate agent is a licensed professional who helps people buy, sell, and rent properties. So now let's ask it how can we be successful real estate agents? And let me just fix this real quick. And here an exclamation mark. So here, being a successful real estate agent requires a combination of skills and traits, including strong knowledge of the local real estate markets. A good real estate agent should have a deep understanding of the local markets, including current trends, prices, and neighborhoods, strong communication and negotiation skills, and so go on the list. So you can get any information you want about real estate using this bot. Of course, if you have any other question, you can just go again to ChatGPT and do it by yourself. So come here and ask this AI whatever comes to your mind. So as you can see now, it has already wrote us like 8 or 9 tips about this subject. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.